Hi, my name's John. Welcome to 2024. It's obviously New Year's Day, so I'm going to do the draw for the Xtreme plasma cutter. Remember I did a video a fortnight ago demonstrating the plasma cutter with built-in compressor, and there was a free enter raffle. Well, now's the time I'm going to go and draw it. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if I can come up with a random name. Right, the name I've got is Nobby's Workshop. So Nobby, all you need to do is send me an email. That's me, email address up there. I'll get it a raw with Xtreme plasma and we'll get all this shipped off to you. Once again, well done. Everybody else, have a smashing new year. If you didn't win and you want to win, and you do ring up Xtreme plasma, be sure to mention my name. It won't do any harm. Anyway, thanks for watching.